As a parent, you want to see your child succeed. Teaching them important life skills like car care and maintenance can be a great way to help prepare them for adulthood. Learning about car care builds responsibility, independence, and confidence. It also provides them with problem-solving skills, financial awareness, and mindfulness when it comes to safety. Start with the basics. Explain the why behind tasks like changing oil, replacing wiper blades, and understanding dashboard lights. As they grow older, teach them how to complete various tasks like filling up a tank or changing a tire. This can also provide an opportunity to build up a car care kit for them with tools like a tire pressure gauge, jumper cables, and an emergency kit. Finally, explain the importance of staying calm, pulling over to a safe location, and turning on your hazards in an emergency situation. For more serious problems, make sure they know how to reach roadside assistance or emergency services. Teaching car care isn't just about maintaining a vehicle, it's about creating lasting memories and setting your child up for success. Start today and build a legacy of care and safety. Visit our website to learn more.